Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you generate auto captions in a VN app? Well, that's what we're going to be tackling today. It's going to be really simple because all of the options that you are actually looking for. Oh, by the way, make sure that you're connected to your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Okay, so click on the wait. Let's just yeah turn this on again, Wi-Fi and mobile data. And yeah, it's good that gave you a heads up for that. So in here, just scroll to the side here, and as you can see, the captions are here on the side. So here it is, auto caption, and you just click on caption mode, or just basically click on convert, and that's just basically it. And that's how simple and easy it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and I hope this video is of any help. And you guys have a nice day.